Howdy folks, this is Joe with Joe's Gaming Electronics. So today I'm going to show you guys very quickly how to pair your JBL Xtreme 3. These are super sweet looking. I love these camo ones. And I'm going to show you guys very quickly how to pair them. So first things first, you want to make sure that your speaker is charged, and you do that by making sure that you charge it with the Type-C adapter right there. And then what you do is you press the power button and you hold on to the Bluetooth icon here, and you're going to keep holding on that until you hear that noise. And basically that means the item is in pairing mode. So I'm going to show you guys how it looks like on the phone to pair this. When you hear that annoying beeping noise, that's how you know it's in Bluetooth mode. It's blinking, that's how you also know it's in Bluetooth mode. I'm going to go to my Bluetooth settings. First things first, you want to make sure your Bluetooth is on. Once it's on, you'll see JBL Xtreme 3 pop up on the other devices field there. Once it connects, you hear that dinging noise and you know, hey, we're ready to rock. Now we're ready to get some music going. So that's how you simply pair your JBL Xtreme 3. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.